Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these shrimp dumplings. Let's get started! I already cleaned the shrimps and I cut this into smaller pieces. Now let's add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Mix this for 20 seconds and let's set this aside. And now let's peel the water chestnuts. You can also get the canned chestnuts if you cannot find the fresh one. Adding water chestnuts into the dumplings will add more crunchiness into it. And finally dice the water chestnuts. I use 6 pieces of water chestnuts. I already rinsed the shrimps. Pat this dry using paper towel. And season this with salt, white pepper, white sugar, vegetable oil, sesame oil, and mix it well. Then add the egg white and the potato starch and mix it again. Adding potato starch will thicken any liquid while steaming the dumplings. And add the chestnuts into the shrimps. And mix this well. Cover this and let it set in the fridge for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, now let's start wrapping. I'm using these store-bought dumpling wrappers and water. Let's start wrapping. Put a teaspoon of filling in the center of the wrapper and wet the edge of the wrapper using the plain water. And let's start pleatings. We need 9 pleats. So fold in and pinch. Fold in and pinch. So neat. So continue pleatings until you have 9 pleats. I'm done with 9 pleats. Now let's start sealing this. Let's press the wrapper together. Always start pressing in the corner. So gently press and push it down. Press and push down the filling gently and keep pressing it until you get a nicely shaped dumpling. And this is how it looks like. It's really neat and looks yummy. I'm using this bamboo steamer. I lay a parchment paper on it. I brush some vegetable oil on the parchment paper so the dumpling will not stick. Let's steam this. So I have this boiling water. Place the steamer on top of it and steam this for 8 minutes over high heat. This is 8 minutes. Look at this, guys. It's so delicious. I also did the boiled one. I boiled this for 5 minutes over high heat uncovered. Oh la la, look at this. So here's the steamed dumplings. The color looks darker than the boiled one. And it's time to try the dumplings. I'm going to try the steamed one first. And I'm going to enjoy this with chili oil. And let's try this. Wow, this is so good. The shrimp is so tender. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's crunchy, and it's just simply delicious. And let's try the boiled one. And I'm going to savor this with chili oil as well. Wow, check this out. Looks so appetizing. Wow, the boiled one is way better than the steamed one. The wrapper is way softer and it's just perfect to me. I love these shrimp dumplings. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!